Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram Reels in WhatsApp without links. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do now is just to go to your Instagram, and after that we will be needing to save our story. So now let's just click on Instagram, and I'm just going to some reels so we can share them as a story. So for example, I will just choose this one, and I'm just going here, and basically now all we need to do is just to add it to a story. So here we have the share. We can click on add to story, and basically here in the 3 points icon we will find this save button. So basically the save button would allow this video to be on the gallery and will be added to your phone. And that means that you have now the video added to your phone. So now we can start sharing it and adding it to uh, WhatsApp without having the link. And basically let's just wait for the processing process to finish. And basically you will be after that uh, to start controlling this or owning this story. So now we have the video saved, and if we go to the gallery, we will need to find the videos, and let's just search for all our saved. Here we have Instagram, and basically here I have my story. And now all you need to do is just to go to the WhatsApp and create a status. And basically in your status, you will need just to share this video or this story. And by that, you have successfully shared Instagram Reel in WhatsApp status. So thank you for watching and see you next time.